Hi folks, it's me, and on the workbench I've just received the Airfix Catalogue for 2024 and I'm going to film it page by page. It's become a bit of an annual thing for me. When I get a new catalogue from any manufacturer, I will film it and put it on my channel. I film it page by page in 4K. If you want to see it in the best quality, just go to the cog and dial it up to 4K. Also, I basically turn the page every 4 seconds, but do not be worried that you can just pause it at any time to see what's on the page. It's quite simple. Or you can go to the cog settings as well and slow the video down. People complain about the music, just turn the volume off. You don't need to listen to the music if you don't want to, so please refrain from putting that comment in in the video, because I get loads of them comments. I don't like the music. Don't listen to music then, just turn it off. I like the music. Also, after the video, I go through the catalogue briefly of things that have caught my eye. Maybe some improvements that Airfix could do with this catalogue, but ultimately it is page after page of what is in their range for 2024. So don't forget that there's lots of information packed in this book. I promise you, 150 pages of it. And also with the Humbrol stuff at the back, we'll go through that and just see what they've added new to that range too. Anyways, let's get on to it. This is the 2024 Airfix Catalogue. Enjoy. So there you are, guys. That was the Airfix Catalogue. It is full of really good information. It is like the Bible for Airfix. Everything that they're doing this year is in this book. Some people think, oh, for £9 you don't get a lot, just a few pictures. But no, they do fill it with lots of information that could be of interest to you. I know it is an advert basically of what they're doing, but you can see like a better look at the close-ups of some of the new tooling. This is the quick builds, but if you go further in, it does help to actually look and see what's going on, telling you about the aerodrome and workbench. There you go, advert there for the Airfix Club, where you can see that they've got the 80th anniversary of D-Day. You're getting that kit, aren't you, with the is it the Spitfire, or what was it again? Spitfire and the Typhoon, and you get 2 kits in one, so you both see about it. This was quite good. I can't remember seeing this before. It probably has been in the catalogue, so I've just missed it. But telling you, what's on the box. Telling you, gives you history there, flying hours, the skill level, the paint list, the schemes, the decals, the product code, the model scale. Telling you explaining to you what's actually on the box, which is quite cool as well, I think. When you're going through and seeing all like the new modes and that, they have really good breakdowns. Where's the page for the Chinook? Have a look here. Where's the page here for the Chinook? Must be further on, mustn't it? There's the D-Day Fighters gift set, and there's the picture of them on the 5 stand, the 5-arm stand. Where's that Chinook to? Because there was some really nice pictures of the Chinook in here. Like the CAD. There's a picture there of the Bristol Bulldog, but let's try and find that. There you go. There's some really nice pictures there, and some information, some history about it. It's not to be sucked at, this catalogue. It does have some really good value and some good use to. Again, lots of information there about the Bristol Bulldog. Some CAD, some what they call it, first run shots, I suppose. What's going to look like? I think that's CAD, isn't it? Right. So yeah, this is what I'm saying. It's all, it's delightful. Just going over to the Humbrol stuff. Not a lot new apart from one page. They're saying about the new products that they've got, which is says new here. So I'm presuming the chipping and scratching agent, which I've got some of. Got some sanding pads, the Smart Mud flexible masking tape, the precision masking tape, and the acrylic weathering pens. They're saying that this is new, but it's not quite new, because I think they've been in the range a while now. That printer isn't new, God forbid. But yeah, they don't do a lot. They do a massive paint range. So I got a bit of a cold this morning. But other than that, it's all it's all pretty much the same stuff as it was last year. But anyways, there you are. There was it, page by page. So if you want to go and watch it back, remember, just press pause whenever you see something that you like. And yeah, it's a really good catalogue to get. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below, because I do reply. And a huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you want to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. If you're not seeing my latest video, click here. If you want to see other videos that I've done, click here.